Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Straight Outta Content brought to you by Flash Custom Transfers. And in today's video, we are here at Phazes Barbershop. I've been coming to this barbershop ever since I've been in Texas. He's been my only barber, him and Wayne. They've had this barbershop in a few different locations here in Houston, but they are here at this location. If you want to go ahead and look and kind of see, their logo is kind of cracked. This is actually permanent vinyl, and they had this done years ago. As you can see, it's getting kind of faded. It's kind of like getting outdated and stuff like that. So they reached out to us to come up with their new logo design, in which we did right here, but this is just a sample. So what you're looking at right here, this is our 22 by 12 UVDTF gang sheet, but I created a sample so that we can put it on one of the pieces of glass or something like that, and then they can check it out. So where you're looking at white is actually transparent. All these pieces right here where it's white is actually transparent. So I don't know if the final customer wants that. So this is something that you can do. Go ahead, take a look at all the different stores. As you're looking at all the different stores, that's something that you could do and create for your own business, because don't forget that this sheet comes in 22 by 12 or 22 by 24, in which you can fit really large images and knock out graphics for people's stores. So let's go ahead, let's go inside to Danny. Let's check it out, let's place it on something, and let's see if he likes it, and let's see if he needs any other changes. And remember, you guys can do this in your business. So let's go ahead, let's head inside. That's Danny.
Oh, who's that?
Who's that little boy in the
Cute
chair?
little boy.
Hey, man. What's your name?
Donovan's Domain.
All right, so we're inside here. We're here with Daniel Rowland. We're here at Phase Barbershop. And again, I'm gonna show him the new logo that we're kind of working on. And again, guys, this is just an inspiration video. I know Danny, so we're kind of working on it together. But if you guys are using this product to get business, kind of take some advice from this video. I know we're gonna be doing another one, right, Shelly, for your cousin's barbershop as well. So just take inspiration from these videos. Again, we are not appliers, we are suppliers. So we only do these videos just to kind of give you guys ideas to then go out and do it, because we focus more on manufacturing. Danny, this is the logo that I came up with. It's got your phases right here, it's barbershop, and then premium cuts. But like I stated earlier, before the video started, these parts that are white are actually transparent. So if you want, I can cut this out, and then we can kind of place it somewhere and then see how you like it. And are there any other like renditions that you want different, or?
Nah, man, it's actually pretty dope. It's doper than what I thought you would come up with.
That's what. And as you guys can see too, we also have some other things that you can fit on here. But this is something that, I mean, we also have the, what do we have, babe? We have the samples, but this right here is only 20 bucks, right? We came up with the new sizes so that you guys can print a few different ones. So we got the Carnival Eats, we got the Barbershop, we got the Store Next Door, we got the Black Candy. You could actually take each logo, put it on a little gang sheet like this, and then walk to each store and show them, give them a sample of their logo of what you can do on a larger scale. It's all just the ideas that you got to come up with. So I'm going to take some scissors. I'm going to go ahead and cut this out. Yes, if you guys need bigger sizes, even bigger than the standard 22 by 24, if you guys need 22 by 120 or something like that, just go ahead, shoot us an email. I know it's not on the website, but shoot us an email at ordernow@flashcustomtransfers.com, and we can definitely handle any size order that you need for UVDTF, as well as apparel DTF as well, but especially UVDTF. Again, take these videos, be inspired by these videos, and go out and hit different shopping centers and get business for those companies. All right, so I got it right here. I'm peeling it back so that he can see that transparent, because with other stickers, it's not transparent. Oop, is it coming up? The little thin lines? I mean, I did forget to squeeze. But a lot of other stickers, it's hard to do transparent, but with UVDTF, thank you, baby, it is transparent. So this is house, and look at the detail before I stick on it. Look at that. And what I can do is, you got stuck. What I can leave white in here. So I can leave white in here and then just leave this transparent if you like that.
No, I like it with the white in there.
Oh, you want the white in all four?
No, I mean the white in the barber pole.
Yeah.
This part transparent. That's what you're saying?
Yep, that's exactly what I'm saying. I'll leave the white here. I'll put the white back there, but leave it transparent here.
Yeah.
Okay, and then like, so it'll kind of look like this. And remember, I'm gonna make this black. I don't know, this is kind of like an off.
Put it up here.
Put it up there?
It'll fit right there, yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Kind of behind you?
Yeah.
You better at this than me? You better at this than me. Remember your truck?
You do the.
I messed your truck up?
Nah, you do the right side, I do the left.
All right, oh, this will be a good thumbnail.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah,
what did you say?
Let this be the thumbnail. Lift the phases up. Yeah, like that. And then look at the camera.
Put it up.
Oh, you know what? It's wet. We can do it wet. You don't got like a soapy bottle of water, do you?
You can add soap in here. I just can dump it out.
It's just water?
Yeah, this is just
All right,
water.
bet. Yeah, I'll do it like that. This way it's not, because so that you guys know, you can apply these with just soap and water. This way it can slide around and we get it in the right place. So let me go ahead and do that. Here's some soap back here. So what I'm doing right now is I'm spraying, I put a little soap.
Shake it up a little bit.
Shake it up?
Yeah,
Okay.
so it gets soapy.
Well,
yeah,
you don't
there
have
you
a
go.
squeegee, though.
It's okay. Remember, it likes the fingers. You rub it in with your fingers. You're gonna soapy water it like that. And then, yep, take it off. Where'd you like it, D?
Yep, right there is perfect. Take it up a little bit more.
You wanna step back?
Nah, that's good.
Is it
Is it
twist up?
straight?
Go like this a little bit to the right.
Yeah, twisted clockwise.
More clockwise?
Nah, that's good.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm looking at the A, like if the A line up with this part right here.
Oh.
Stay tuned, cause he gonna clean my mirror after you.
Yeah, of course. I'm definitely gonna do that. Place it here, get out all the bubbles. Again, guys, as we say in all our videos, we are not appliers, we are suppliers. You definitely want a squeegee when doing this. And thank you, Danny, for letting us come and taking time out of your day.
Shoot, I appreciate y'all doing this work.
Yeah, that water behind it. Gotta keep squeegeeing it out. We'll give it some time. Yeah, some time to cure, some time to stick. But Danny go back to cutting. And I'll keep working on it. And then we'll show you guys the final product once I peel it. Let me go get some.
Tell him don't talk about your grandpa like that.
No, I'm not doing that. Nah, man. Yeah.
Nah,
All right,
you-
guys, so it's time to peel. We've been letting it wait. We're letting it sit for a little bit, trying to stay out of Danny's way, close as possible. Just go ahead and peel it, that peel. Look at that. I'm doing it slow and gentle because there's a few thin lines, but it's been pressed. Oh yeah, see, like that little piece came up. I should have pressed it. And again, these are what you want to do for the customers to get a potential customer. If you walk in, he's not paying for this. You walk into any store and you do this and you show them, hey, look, this is what I can do. You mind if I put it somewhere and actually show them the product, the finished product? Again, I'm not an installer. Oh yeah, there's a
Yeah, push it into the inside.
Push it to the inside?
Yeah.
And we definitely recommend getting a professional installer if you can. Am I messing it up? You see somewhere else?
Nah, that's pretty dope.
All right, so as you guys can see, that's the final product. I'm getting this taper.
Excuse me.
All right, guys, so that's gonna be it for this video. As you guys can see, this is something that you can do at any store. You can walk in, you can just, like I said, you can pull into any parking lot, drive in, look at the images. Even if you got to screenshot them, take a picture of them, screenshot them, take a picture of them, right? Send them to us and say, hey, I got these screenshots. Can you guys vector them real quick? Take it back to the shop. Mr. Leonard, how you doing? We shooting a video. This is our commercial realtor. He helped us get our store, so it's kind of funny. It's funny what we're doing right now. And let it go. Yeah, he helped us let it go too. So,
He was actually in one of our videos.
oh yeah, right when we signed the lease, right? And we was looking and stuff like that. So yes, you can bring this into any store. So again, stay tuned for the next video when we do Chelly's cousin's shop, and whenever we kind of scale this one bigger and then come up with the other words that we want to put on the main front glass. Anything you want to say before we head out, D?
Nah, I appreciate y'all, man. I thank y'all for taking the time to do that for me, man. I love y'all guys. What
Tell
they
me your
doing, they
information.
doing something real good. Take the advice, start your own business, and you'll be successful.
Yep.
Hopefully.
Hopefully. Tell them where they can find you at here in Houston and the address and phone number.
You can find us on Booksy. You can book through Booksy. The website, our address is 412 North Sam Houston Parkway East, 77060.
Bet. I'll put all this information and links below. In the description below. And you guys have seen Danny on the channel before. So again, keep watching this series. Go check out the video where we visited Miss Kelly's shop. We're now here at Phazes Barbershop. We're gonna check out Kingdom next,
Studio.
Kingdom Barber Studio, and I think there's a few other places that we want to visit. So again, if you're in the local area and you want us to come visit your shop, let us know, and we will be there. As my slogan is, be basic, peace.